One of the main reasons why I chose Duquesne was I just felt like when I came and first visited, it was very tight-knit community, especially in the School of Science and Engineering. A lot of the labs here I found work together like pretty collaboratively. And I just thought that the sheer amount of opportunities you have to conduct research and the amount of machinery here, it's very state of the art. And it was something that I would have expected if I didn't actually come and explore all of my options.
What I love about research is that you don't just learn from when you succeed, you learn from when you fail. And so many things go wrong in a lab, so many experiments, and just learning like, okay, how do I move on? How do I pick everything up and continue?
Getting into research, I really liked the idea that you can develop your own type of project and you're really testing yourself. I mean, it's definitely fast paced, especially in this lab, but it's also dependent on how much work you want to put in.
I do research with Dr. Kim. So we do sociomicrobiology. We study the interaction between different types of bacteria. So being able to look into biofilms and how these different bacteria interact and how they arrange themselves to literally hide from antibiotics.
I do bacterial competitions. We work with a particular gene of interest. It's called delta RSME. And what this gene does is when it gets expressed at a protein level, it has an overproduction of secretion. So when you knock it out, you see these overproduction of secretions.
I focused in a lab that worked mainly on metabolism and pharmacokinetics. So I got to see how when you are administered a drug, how your body reacts to it and whether or not it's stable for dosage. And then after I deal with the medicine, they move it on to different levels until it reaches clinical trial.
All the faculty here are very involved with their work. Even if they're just like a teaching professor, they're very involved with the students, and especially they really want to see the students succeed.
Having such a small class and having faculty that are there to support you, and even your success coach, it's really helpful and it helps you navigate through college with all the stress, and it alleviates that for sure.
Just reach out, and if you're really passionate about something, make sure that you actually follow it, because at the end of the day, it's up to you to really get what you need out of what you're going to school for. And I feel like Duquesne has all the resources that you need to succeed. It's really just up to you to take advantage of what they have and maximize it at its fullest capability.